First job of the day. Let's go inside, see what we got. All right. Here's one part of the issue, but let's go look at this side. Not good. Not good. This door was put in 2021. You can tell it's still fairly new. Tracks are still good. Everything looks brand new still. I'm thinking those aren't in the stud. That's why that happened. But nonetheless, we're gonna get it fixed. As you can see, we got it down. Now, as I said earlier, yeah, those weren't in the stud at all. So, we got it in the stud. That ain't going nowhere. But the previous tech did do some damage. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy. That's tightening it way too tight, y'all. Don't do this.